Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Technocrats. In today's video we will learn about using Mitsubishi PLC as Modbus TCP Master. So basically we have three methods to do so. First is by using predefined protocol. The second is using inbuilt function block, which was introduced a few months back. And the third and the most updated and easy method is using simple PLC function. So let's get started. So I will click on new using FX5U as PLC. If you talk about simple PLC communication, you can communicate other PLCs like Omron, Siemens, and Bradley. Just mentioned here, they're in the function also. So you can communicate other PLCs as well as Mitsubishi PLCs also using this simple PLC communication. Here we have only the setting part is in there in this PLC function. So let's see. We'll go to the module parameter, and we have this Ethernet port setting. So we'll open, double click. Now as you can see, this is Modbus TCP setting, but this is for your Modbus TCP slave. That means this cannot be set as for master. So to set it as a master, you will go to the application part and simple PLC communication. Click here, use detail setting, communication pattern. Let's try it right, and destination here, the IP address, device type. So as you can see, Mitsubishi PLC, RPLC, QPLC, L, IQF, IQL, FX3U, and this is SLMP, any three compatible device of Mitsubishi. Omron, CG and CP series, Keynes, Panasonic, Modbus TCP compatible device. Siemens is also there, not Allen Bradley. Okay, so we will select Modbus TCP compatible device. The IP 192.168.3 dot something like 10. Now host port, you can say 1000. Click OK. So this is the setting part. If you want to, this is for bit, this area, and this is for the word. I will select the word D, suppose 0 to 5. We have only 3 and 10x for 10 for your communication. So we'll use holding register, and address is 128. Let's use 128 for Modbus. Another device compatible with this. So by this method you can easily communicate your Modbus compatible device on Modbus TCP. So you will apply here, check, and it's okay. Now close this and just write the program. So by doing so, you can easily communicate your any Modbus TCP compatible device with your Mitsubishi FX PLC or IQR or IQF or the QPLC or LPLC using simple PLC communication. And if you want to go for the first method, that was predefined protocol, it is set something like here, predefined protocol support function is there. So you can also use this function. So that's all in this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.